Watching you this time off 4, Russell. Oh, hold up. One more time. Watching you all 4, Russell. Right here. Track is hot.
I'll give you up in there one. You ready? Okay, that was
Easy on the back. We've got Russell, Douglas, Gary, Chris. 40 seconds in, 3:20 to go. Race number 5 is on the track. 17.5 Pro, you guys should be making your way to the grid here in about a minute and a half. 17.5 Pro, make your way to the grid here in about a minute and a half. Guys, once I clear the track, I will blow it off before you roll out.
Left.
1 down, 3 to go. 1 down, 3 to go. $135 in, $225 to go. Douglas on point. Gary, Russell, Chris. Coop going down the backstretch, showing the way. Yellow, red, and purple car is the number 2 spot. Russell's the number 3 spot. Challenge for position is first and second between Douglas and Gary. About a little over a straightaway separates the 2. Only halfway home. A lot of racing left. 2 down, 2 to go. 2 down, 2 to go. Hey Scott, did he say it just got cold? Oh, 120 left on the race clock. Douglas, Gary, Russell, Chris. Pro guys are in the grid. 21.5 Sportsmen, start getting your stuff ready. It's going to be Ray, Norm, Russell, Derek, Paxton, start getting your stuff ready.
1 minute left.
Douglas turning this quick lap of the race. Last time by 6.5. 50 seconds left on the race clock. It is Douglas, Russell, Gary, Chris. Battle right now is between Russell and Gary for the 2 spot. That's the yellow car and the red, yellow, and purple car. .10 seconds. Master clock has expired. Gary, you're done. Russell, you're done. Douglas, you're done. At the line, Chris, you are done. Douglas taking the win. Russell and Gary round it out. I need you guys to the victory lane sign. I need Douglas and Russell to the infield, please. 17.5 guys, hold on 1 second. I'm going to blow the track off and then I'll turn it over to you.